Welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda Paris, and if you have been here before, welcome back. Today I have a really exciting video for you. They're all exciting. I don't know why I always say that because y'all always love them, right? Right. Today I am doing another Amazon haul. This is my top 10 favorites of the month, and I am super excited to share them with you. But before we jump into this video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that stuff, because you don't want to forget later. Transition. First up, we have the Renpho Smart Digital Scale. What I love about this most is that it syncs everything to your phone. One of the things that I used to struggle with in the past was tracking my weight. I would use apps like MyFitnessPal or sync it to my health app in my iPhone, but I wasn't consistent with it. What I love is this scale just sits in my bathroom. I can step on it, does its little thing, syncs it to my phone. I literally have all of my progress. So I can really track and see where I've been, where I'm at, you know, and see the patterns. And I don't have to worry about thinking what it was before and when that was the last time I weighed myself. So I love it. I think that's great. I highly recommend this scale for that because I think it's really cool. It makes your life a little bit easier with tracking things and making sure you are staying on track. How many times can I say track in this review? Let me know. Track it down and comment below. The other thing I love about this scale is the price is actually not bad. It's regularly $27.99, and actually they have it on sale now for about 23 bucks. So if you get it soon, you can probably find it on sale. And you know what, I do think, is this a bad idea to give someone as a gift? I don't know. I gave one to my mom. She actually loved it because her scale was broken, and I was like, I got you, and it's great because it's gonna track everything for you, and she loves it. So, next. We have this super cute bamboo purse. This comes in two sizes, a small and a large. This one is the small. I like this size better. I consider myself petite, so I felt like this size is more appropriate. Now, it doesn't have any like snaps or anything to keep it closed, but honestly, one of my girlfriends had this when I went to my Montauk trip last month, and I loved it, and she had no issues with it, so I think it's super cute and very nice, especially for vacation or a summer dress or summer look. And it comes with this super cute little scarf thing you can like tie on it. I don't know if I'm gonna do that because I kind of like it just like this. But I think this is really, really fun and a great accessory to add to your wardrobe. And it's only $37.99. Next up, we have this fan. Now, I know you may be thinking, why the heck is this in your top 10 favorites on Amazon? And I'm gonna tell you my little beauty secret. So whenever I set my makeup with a setting spray, before I was trying to like find something to fan it with, or I was standing, you know, in front of my fan like that, and it just took way too long, I found this guy, and I use it to dry my setting spray. It's amazing. Highly recommend it. It's only $4.99. You're welcome. Next up, we have another one of my trade secrets. This is my handy dandy little tripod. It is made by Fugetek, not sure how to say the brand name, but apparently my friend thinks it's important for me to tell you guys the name of the brand. So anyway, I take this on all my trips. It's how I shoot content when I am traveling or to shoot TikToks, Reels. This is great. I love that it's very compact. And it does go. Look at it, just keeps growing. Oh, I should have put the links down first. Well, you guys get the idea. So you can first loosen your screw, and then let me take off this little guy. Also has a little remote right here, but like, look at that. A lot of the mobile tripods are a lot shorter, and you have to set them on a table or something like that. So I can literally take this with me. I can film, you know, BTS at my shoots, do a live. It's, you know, a perfect height for that. And it also rotates. So if you want to do like horizontal videos, or sorry, yeah, landscape videos or vertical videos, you can just flip this either way. And then, I don't know if you guys have used other tripods. I hate the ones that like snap and you have to like aggressively like hold it apart and then be like, hey, could someone help me put my phone in here? And then it like snaps back closed. So this one doesn't do that. It just has this nice, calm, relaxed screw that you can do by yourself. And it comes with a little Bluetooth remote, so that's great too. You can, you know, hey, look at me, cool, great, love it. And one thing I have also used this for, because not only does this part rotate, but this rotates as well. So What I love about that is, let's say I'm doing an unboxing, or if you're shooting flat lays or things like that where you have to use your hands and show off a product, now my phone can sit on top and shoot down, and you don't need a friend. You can do it all by yourself. I love it. And it also doesn't break the bank. It is only $26.99, and right now it's actually on sale for less than 20 bucks. So it's super inexpensive, and it is going to make things much more simple for you, and especially if you're on the go. So I definitely recommend this tripod. Next up, we have this makeup case by Relavel, and I love this for traveling. What's my favorite thing about it, besides the fact that it's like super sturdy, is it has all of these compartments. Now, don't judge mine, it's been through some things. So it has all these little things that you can slide out. I'm really struggling to do this with one hand. So you can move all these around and make different compartments. So I have mine set up for what I like to travel with. I can fit, you know, my setting spray in here. I put my compacts. I have my foundations and concealers, my lash curler. I have, you know, my lip glosses and things like that in here. And then it has this nice zipper right here. Like, is any money in there? Nope. So I put my palettes in here. So I'll put like my cream contour kit and my highlighting palette in here. Maybe an eyeshadow palette could fit in here depending on, you know, how you have your case set up. And then you can also put some makeup brushes here in these little pockets as well. Or you could even do like lip glosses, things like that, mascara, you know. I really, really like this case. It's been great for me with traveling. I needed an updated case, and I actually really, really am happy with this one. And it also doesn't break the bank. It's only $29.99, and currently it's on sale for $18.98, I think. So definitely grab it, especially if it's on sale, because it's definitely worth it. I give this a thumbs up. Next up, we have one of my favorite books right now. If you're following me on Instagram, then you've seen me post a page from this book. I do it every morning. It's how I like to start my day. And that's one of the things I really love about this, and I get asked about this book a lot. Where can I get it? What's it called? It's called Jesus Always, and it has one page in it. It's a daily devotional book. So you just read one page every day. You know, they kind of look like this. And it just kind of helps you set your intention for the day, and I really love it. Sometimes they're so spot on and exactly what I need to hear for that day, and it just really helps put me in the right mindset. So if you are someone looking for a simple morning routine to kind of help get your mind in the right place, I definitely recommend this book, and it's only $11.99. And next up, we have these Konjac sponges by Minamul. Now, I have been buying the Boscia, oh my God, I just slaughter brand names and I am so sorry. But anyway, that one brand, I usually get their charcoal sponge, but it's 15 bucks. And honestly, I'm like, gosh, there's gotta be other brands out there that aren't as expensive. So I jumped on Amazon and I found these, and I have actually been using them for the past couple months, and I really like them. The only difference that I have found is the size. They're slightly smaller, but it's not that big of a deal. Like the other one, I would rather pay $1.67 per sponge versus $15 just because it's slightly smaller. So I definitely recommend these. They're great at taking your makeup off and getting your face really clean. I definitely noticed a difference washing my face and getting all of my makeup off when I started using these. And what's great about it is you don't have to like splash water on your face and get water everywhere. You just literally rub in your cleanser, rinse off your sponge, and then you use that to get the rest of the cleanser off. And I love it. And then you just keep looking at it till the water runs clear and bam, your face is clean. It's beautiful. So you get 6 of these for 10 bucks versus 1 for 15. So I love this dupe and definitely recommend it. Woo! Next up, we have these glass coffee mugs. They come in a set of 2. They're by Sweese, and they are $28.99 for the set. They are glass, and they're for coffee. You could do hot tea. I really like them. They also have that double insulation as well, so I think they're really cute, and I'm so excited to move into my new apartment and make cute coffee drinks with these. I also got a set of 2. They did come packaged really nicely. None of them were chipped or broken, so that's always a thumbs up, right, when you're ordering glass on Amazon. But I really like these. Definitely recommend them. I think they're really cute. Who loves to get iced out? I know I do. That's why I got this silicone diamond ice tray. Apparently you can also make other things in it, like candy or soap if you want to mold those things. I don't do that, I just make ice because I want to drink diamond drinks like a princess. So I just thought this was fun and it's super cute and it was only 10 bucks. I also think this would be a cute little, you know, gift addition or maybe a little stocking stuffer for the holidays. Yeah, very fun. Last but certainly not least, this is one of my little secrets. This is the Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. What I love about this is how simple and fast it is to clean all of my jewelry, and they come out super sparkly, great. To me, I don't know if it's the exact same thing as the professional systems, like if you go to a jewelry store and you're like, hey, can you clean my ring real quick? But it seems like it. I mean, it comes out amazing. So you literally just put your jewelry in this little tray, and then it has a fill line in here. You put some water in it. And then I bought this gem jewelry cleaner. It's $6.99. I've had this bottle for almost a year and it's still like 3/4 of the way full. You need a tiny amount, like a capful when you put your jewelry in. Then you just shut it and you turn it on and it's 120 seconds and your stuff comes out. It like does this thing, it's like bzzz. You take your jewelry out and you're like, wow, that's how it's supposed to sparkle. And I've also put, like I've put this necklace in there, which isn't real diamonds. So I've used it on my white gold, I've used it on gold, diamonds, and I've used it on sterling silver and cubic zirconias. So definitely recommend adding this to your repertoire and cleaning your jewelry. I think you must have this in your house, ladies and gents. You know, clean your chains. They're nasty, okay? They get dirty too, boys. I know you don't clean them, okay? Get this. It's $39.99, like I said, and this is $6.99. I would give this a try too. And that wraps up this month's top 10 favorites from Amazon. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you thought this video was helpful and other things you want me to try or check out or review next. And before you get going, make sure to hit like on this video, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that stuff, because you don't want to miss all the exciting stuff I have coming up next. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.